Hi, Mr. Bass here and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm changing a pollen filter on our Audi A6 2016 2-litre diesel. And just like most Audi diesels, the pollen filter is located under the passenger side footwell. Okay, there are two plastic screws that you can undo by hand. You don't really need any tools for this. Or maybe just a torch if it's too dark so you can see. And once it's undone, there's a panel. It's a foam panel, not quite plastic. It's like a foamy thing that you can pull out. And that's what the screws were holding. And underneath there's a housing where the pollen filter goes in, and there should be a clip on the side that you just have to pull, and the cover should just come off. Yep, that's how it comes off. There's a cover there. Okay, and in there is the pollen filter. You can just pull it out. And once you take it out, you know on the left hand side one of the corner is flattened on the filter. That has to be on the left hand side, so when you put it back in, you don't put it the wrong way around. That's the old one. There's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah?
Nothing wrong.
Because he said he changed that.
Yeah, he changed it. There's nothing wrong with it.
So keep it in. What was it? Good make.
Yeah, good make. Good.
Yeah?
Yeah, where is it from? Audi. Yeah, it's Audi. Look, Audi
Same.
sign.
Same.
Man filter. Yeah, same.
So leave it then. So leave it.
We'll put the same one back, yeah? Or put...
Same one. Put the same one.
Yeah,
I
okay.
think it looks the same.
Yeah, it's the
I
same.
mean, like, there's not much difference.
Yeah, it's the same.
No, it's a shame to do it. I'll keep the new one. I'll change my message. Where is it?
Just under there.
Yeah, probably I'll find it. Yeah. It's a shame to do it, right?
Yeah.
But the guy, he said he changed. But I wasn't really, I bought it private, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I thought he probably used cheap parts.
Yeah. Now he used the good parts. Okay, so once you've pushed the pollen filter back in, then you just gotta put that cover back on. There is like a little notch that goes into a slot. Then you just gotta push it in and it should just clip on. Once it's clipped on, you can put that foam cover back on. It's a bit flimsy putting it on. Just gotta put the sides and corners in first. Then you just put the plastic screws back in. Okay, it's on.
It's all done,
Yeah, all done. All done with just one hand.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll put it down, I'll go and put it.
More videos coming soon. Like my heat kit, please subscribe and share.